How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Average Garage. In today's episode, we're going to be fitting some recovery points to a Pajero Sport without a rhubarb. Yes, it's unheard of. We're going to make it happen. So we actually tried this a couple of weeks ago. Thank you to MCC for supplying the mounts at a discounted rate so we can get this on the channel and get it out there. So thank you very much for that. I'll get that out of the way. Anyways, we tried this a couple of weeks ago and they did not fit. You cannot fit them without a mount or a rhubarb. So what have I done? I designed a plate to mimic the rhubarb so the plates have something to clamp onto the chassis. So what we're going to do, we've got Paul's car back here again now. Ignore the Falcon in the background. And we're going to use these plates that I've just had made up. We had them laser cut up locally. And we're going to use them as well as the recovery points kit. And we're going to make them fit without a rhubarb. We do need to trim some other stuff as well, but we'll get to that when we get to it. So, we'll show you how it's done. Now, MCC have come on board for this and they've offered me a discount code to offer to you guys to get 10% off all of their online store. So make sure you stay tuned for the whole video because somewhere in this video, I'm going to make it apparent. You'll see it and the code will be on the screen. Please don't ruin it and just chuck it down in the comments like some people love to do because they're wankers. Anyways, we're going to get to it and the code will be in the video, so make sure you stay tuned so you can get the code and get 10% off all of MCC's store. Let's get to it. Thanks guys and enjoy the video. Alright, so we're just getting the tools ready for the MC Armour recovery points and they said they're about to give me a call. Hello? Yo, yeah, how's it going guys? Oh, you mean they won't get the discount code if they're not subscribed to the channel? Yeah, alright, yep. Okay, cool. Alright, I'll let them know. Alright guys, you heard it there. You've got to be subscribed to the channel and then we'll give you the discount code. So, if you don't subscribe, no discount. All right, so we just had to do a little bit of trimming of the bumper support here. So as you can see, we've just notched it out where the recovery points sit. So we're gonna chuck this back on and bolt it up, and then we're gonna sit the bumper back on. All right, so really quick rundown. We've had to cut a little bit of the plastic wheel arch liner to clear the recovery point, and we've had to bend, as you would have seen, the bash plate out, which is actually ridiculously easy to do. And now we're just going to bolt the bash plate back up, and then the vehicle is done.